Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where Google Chrome downloads are getting stuck at 100% on their Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution will be to open Chrome, and then go to the account and then click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select history once again, and then select delete browsing data. Change the time range to all time. Make sure that the cache and cookies are deleted. Click on delete data. That's it. Now, in most of the cases, it will fix the problem, but if it doesn't, then click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions, and then manage extensions. Find any problematic extension like a VPN, because a VPN can prevent downloads. So, disable it, and if it works, then totally remove that one. Okay, now this is one case. The next one is that you can update Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then you can select help, about Chrome. Wait till Chrome is updated, and finally click on these three dots together and then select settings. Select reset settings, restore settings to their original defaults, and then select reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.